Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around.
Hey guys, this is Fernando from Montiel's Customs. We're over here at 350 East Basic Road. We're over here going to go take a look at a couple customers' cars, give them a couple estimates. Make sure you come see us. We're here with Steve. So he's a new customer. We're gonna wrap up his Camaro. We're gonna make it beautiful again, so that way he can win a couple trophies at the next car shows, and then he might let me have one of them.
Without being in a club, see.
Exactly.
See, they told us we had to park all the way at the end, but then when I started in, it's like, what's that club doing there? That's what I wanted.
There you go. So stay tuned, and we'll keep you guys updated on this Camaro build.
Keeping it all original, worth more money. It's like, no, I'm building it for me.
Yeah, exactly.
Like I had when I was a kid, it ain't for nobody else.
Mm-hmm.
And my son's saying, paint it like a flat black with some blue in it. It's like, nah. You know what I'm doing with the metal plate stuff. You're making a clown car. I said, no, I'm making an old school car.
Yeah. And it's like anything else. It's like I tell people, some people ask me, what do you think I should do? I'm like, whatever you think you're gonna want to do to the car. Because I can tell you do it this way and whatever, and you're not gonna be happy. But if you said, hey, you know what, I'm gonna build it for me to keep it, not to sell it, right, and build it however you want. I had a 72 Corvette that I had to make right on the side. Oh, man. I love
burn the crap out
Oh
of you,
shit.
but
That's Kim. He was riding with me one time and it burned the shit out of my leg, and I was like, God damn it, I forgot I had a fucking leg. It was beautiful. It had a white body on it too. You remember Baldwin Motion? Wheel flares in the back with the side pipes.
Yeah.
But yeah, it had flared out in the front and in the back. Man, I love that car.
Oh yeah, man.
It was a great 454 big block, ran on 100 octane. I mean, it was beautiful. I had my son Alden and he took it out, and he was like, you see the smile in his face, like, oh my God, like it's got so much power behind it.
I don't even know if I'll let my son drive until I'm gone.
All right.
You know, it's like being a new wrecking boy.
Yeah. I was with him though. And this Camaro, my kid wanted to drive.
Yeah,
it,
but still, haven't you been with people before? Like when I was younger, I was with this girl, you know, and she says, oh, let me drive, please, let me drive. Oh, well, okay. I'm sitting right there. She doesn't make it more than a block, and she got the car off into some bushes. It's like, oh my God, nobody drives.
Right? Well, at least it was bushes. It wasn't
Right.
too bad, right?
Right.
Yeah. Well, cool. Well, sounds good, my friend. I'm glad we got to meet up, and
Yeah, me too.
you know, we'll make her beautiful again and win some awards.
That's got to be a guarantee.
You know. Absolutely. If not, I have to go make some real quick and be
That's
like,
right. Hey, this is for you.
all right.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, no problem. Absolutely. Okay, guys, so we just finished up with Steve. We had a good day. So he's gonna bring it to us on Tuesday. We're gonna go take a look at one more car up in North Las Vegas. So we'll see you soon. Stay with us. Bang, right into the fucking bus. Alright guys, well thanks for tuning in. We had 2 estimates that we did today. We had a good day. We got customers bringing their cars in. We're working on some projects, so we'll see you guys on the next one. Tune in.